Welcome to Mechanical Engineering program at De Montfort University, Dubai. My name is Hassan and I am the program leader here in Mechanical Engineering program. So in this program, we prepare you for the jobs that are required in the Dubai market, UAE market, and particularly the global market. So the modules offered in this program are very fundamental in the year one, and ranging from mathematics to fluid mechanics, heat transfer, and up till year three we end up studying bioengineering, artificial intelligence, Internet of Things, and also advanced computational techniques. So in this program we assess you in several different forms. So it can be as simple as like answering exam questions, traditional exam questions that you always do, but also we have very much hands-on projects such as in robotics, in manufacturing. There are few lab reports to be written as well, and also the presentation as well. So overall the assessment pattern is very broad, that keeps you assessed on different levels as well as in different ways. Also in this lab where I'm sitting right now, we have more than 60 machines where you can learn the skills for preparing you for the jobs for the future, and these machines can be very simple sometimes. For example, year one experiments on pendulum, flywheels and all that, but also gradually complexity is increasing and you end up working with 3D printers, plasma cutters, laser printers, the laser cutters, and also advanced CNC machines where you can literally program anything and make anything. So this manufacturing lab facilities, the robotics, electronics lab facilities are pretty much state of the art that you require to learn the skills that can graduate you to a professional mechanical engineer. We also encourage students to take part in several curricular and co-curricular activities. So students have been participating in projects such as RTA hackathon competition that a student have won 10,000 dirhams, and also taking part in entrepreneurship competitions that students have cleared initial few rounds, and they will end up going to US, Silicon Valley. And here in-house we have been working with students to work on smart green wall project where they were doing the automated irrigation system, as well as working on the automated robots where they can actually make robots that can follow a line and track and identify certain objects. So feel free to contact us, and you can come here at a given timing, and also we are more than happy to give you a guided tour to the labs. You get to meet our staff and get to know about our program. Thank you very much.